Right, passing through there is a HST service heading for London Paddington, and I think that's a delayed 12:32 pass from Cheltenham Spa. So, hello viewers, and welcome to a latest. No, that was a Paignton pass. So that's from Paignton. So hello viewers, and welcome to a latest video from B Tucker Videos. And today I'm at Pangbourne, which is on the Great Western Main Line. So today here at Pangbourne we'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and cross country. Joining me here at Pangbourne is TrainSpot East, so please do check out his channel. He makes some excellent content, so please do check out his stuff and subscribe to his channel. The clip we saw at the beginning of the video was 387139 and 387161. That was on the 12:29 service to Didcot Parkway, delayed by about 2 minutes. So let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Pangbourne, which is already looking like quite a nice station with some great views heading eastbound. No, not east, westbound that way, heading towards Didcot. So let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Pangbourne. Right, passing through now is an IET service heading for Bristol Temple Meads.
Okay, passing through there should be 800-022 and I believe 018. That was heading to Bristol Temple Meads from London Paddington.
Right, coming in now is a Great Western Railway service, the 12:47 to London Paddington, originating from London Paddington. 387149 and 387142. These units are on this service today. And once again, like all 4 stations we'll be filming at today, you can only alight from the front 7 carriages. Passengers at the rear, in the rear carriage 8 of 8. Unable to alight. 149 and 142. Right, departing out is the 12:47 to London Paddington. Passing through there is an 800.
Heading off to London Paddington from Great Malvern and 387142 149 to London Paddington from Didcot Parkway.
Yeah, that pass from Great Malvern and the stopper from Didcot Parkway, both heading for London Paddington.
Please accept my apologies that actually some of the numbers may get some...
Right, okay, passing through now is a service to Newcastle from Reading. And that's a 220 unit on that service.
PS seen that last
video. Yeah, we saw it at Tilehurst, but I don't think we're 100% sure on the number. Could be 022, could be 032. Did you just say 026?
I said 022. So.
But can't be sure of the number.
From earlier, but I'm not sure.
Anyway, a cross-country pass to Newcastle, originating from Reading. Right, passing through there is a service, a Great Western Railway service to Moreton in Marsh. The service that came from London Paddington. That's an 800-3. But we couldn't quite get the number. Also coming in is a service from Carmarthen.
Would you not believe it?
It's an 800. Double 800. Yeah, I like Kevin. I definitely got the 800-015. That's the unit at the rear, but by the 800 at the front, I didn't get myself. So yeah. Right, coming in now, we've got the 1301 service, Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway. Again, formed of a double pairing of Class 387s. At the front is 387143. And also passing through is a fast service to Bristol Temple Meads. No, really, Temple Meads, that's only 5 coaches. I'll give you a correction if it's something else. Right, passing through now is a cross-country service from Edinburgh Waverley heading to Reading. I'll be guessing, but could be 221114, but that's again not completely certain of it. So passing out here, 387143 and 387159. 143 and 159 heading on the Great Western Railway service, double pairing of 387s to Didcot Parkway, the 1301 departure. Calling it Goring Streatley, Cholsey and Didcot Parkway. Right, passing through that 800-020, that's
a Great Western Railway pass heading to Bristol, Temple Meads from London Paddington.
What, 5 coaches to Temple Meads.
Wow.
800-020. And that does have the Bob Woodward nameplate at the front. Had the front end heading to Bristol anyway, but 5 coaches, only 5. Who makes these ridiculous decisions? Only 5 coaches anyway. Should be at least a double set anyway, or 9 carriage unit.
Bristol, London next. Next up is
right, passing through is a service from Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington. (800-026), one of them, and but what did you say? 035, the other unit on that service. Right, passing through there, what was a service from London Paddington to Swansea, but coming in now is the 1317 service to London Paddington, originating from Didcot Parkway, 387161 and 387139. The units of our service coming in when we came in from Tilehurst earlier. Here we go. Right, passing through there slightly early is a service from Oxford to London Paddington, while departing out is 387161 and 387139. That's the 1317 service to London Paddington from Didcot Parkway.
This one now called Tilehurst next, and it goes calling up the station between Reading, Slough and also Leeds.
Right, passing through now is a service from Southampton Airport Parkway to Manchester Piccadilly. And that is a Class 221 service, I can tell you that much, with all the 5 carriages, but anything further than that I can't tell you, the specific unit number. departing out there is 802016. That's on a passing Great Western Railway service heading for Oxford. 802016. Right, coming in now is the 1331 Great Western Railway service for Didcot Parkway. Double pairing of 387s. 387173, that's the unit at the front.
Great Western Railway service Parkway, next calling point of Goring Streatley.
Right, passing through there is 802011 and something else. That's on the 1332 pass from London Paddington to Bristol Temple Meads. While departing out is 387173 and another 387 on the rear with a 1331 service to Didcot Parkway. Three 170 on the rear. Right, passing through now is a cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Southampton Airport Parkway. Good. I thought it was 131. I thought, but that might be 120, as Kevin said. Well, we'll probably have to check. Kevin thinks it's 221120. I think 131. Well, one of us will probably check. But if you do know, please leave it in the comment section below. Right, passing through there is 800-321 with a Great Western Railway pass from Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington, which is the Class 800, which we saw at Hereford a few weeks ago, which is great to see that again. 800-321. Right, passing through there is a Great Western Railway service from Worcester Foregate Street to London Paddington. While coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Didcot Parkway to London Paddington. 387159, the unit at the front of the service, while the unit coming up at the rear is 387143. Next stop, Reading, then Tarhurst, then Reading, Twyford, Maidenhead, Slough, Langley, Ivor, West Drayton, Hayes Hollington, Savile, Ealing, Broadway and London Paddington. Right, departing out here, 387159 and 387143. And that's a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, originating from Didcot Parkway, the 1347 departure. And with that one departing out, just one more service that I'm going to film here before we head off to our next station. Right, passing through now is the final train of this video, and it's a Class 221 Voyager, Super Voyager. That's 221129, and that's on a cross-country service heading
That
from
was
Manchester.
22129,
No, that's heading to Newcastle,
from
originating
So-
from Reading, 221129.
As that
And
leads
as that
stage-
passes
as that
through, I'm
passes
going to
through,
end
that's
my
where
video
looking
from
to
Pangbourne here. If you have liked what you've seen here at Pangbourne, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below, because I'll get back to them as and when I can. Any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comments. Pangbourne has been a great station to film at today. Like seen lots of great passes, and like with great views heading towards Didcot in that direction, and like just another decent view down there. Although we are on the curve here. So, but then the only downside I can see is that with the passes going through quite fast, it's always quite difficult to actually read the numbers for of the units. But still, Pangbourne has been a great station to film at, and like I may even return here again at some point in the future. Joining me here at Pangbourne was TrainSpot East, so please do check out his channel, and because he makes some excellent content. Our next station will be Goring Streatley, so please do check out our videos once they are up. Goring Streatley, our next station stop. So please do check out our videos from there. Thank you guys for watching my video from Pangbourne. See you all at Goring Streatley. Cheerio.